everybody, Zev Braun and Dominic Fonte with Dominic Fonte and Associates, and we want to talk to you a little bit about, interest rates, what's going on in the world of real estate nationally. Dom, I know there's been a lot of headlines talking about interest rates, where they may or may not be going. What have you seen?
Well, there's a lot of talk about the economy. That the job reports came out. That's not too exciting. Inflation's still a little bit high. So usually what that means is do we need to tweak the interest rates a little bit? So when we hear interest rates, we think of our mortgage rates, but the Fed rate, when they cut it 25 basis points, then that's not necessarily the interest rates for your mortgage. But what happens is the bankers and the mortgage companies, what they do is they sort of bake in an adjustment. So they're anticipating 25 basis points. I'd like to see 50 myself. But what's happening is the current rates are hovering around 6.5 to 6.2, right? But there are different programs out there that are actually under 6%. And so it's really important to reach out to Zev or anybody on my team to figure out if there's a program right for you. So as we're watching this unfold, when the September meeting comes out, we'll find out what they're gonna do. But the bottom line is they already baked in or they adjusted the rate to account for the basis points the Fed's gonna do. So if you have any questions about what program might be right for you, because I've mentioned this before, there's over 2,444 help programs that most agents and most people aren't aware of. And since you only do this 1, 2, or 3 times in your whole life, I think it's super important to be that informed decision maker. And that's why we keep doing these videos, because we're trying to give you information to make you that informed person, make you a happy, smart decision maker.
Yeah, I mean, really don't let the intimidation of thinking you need 20% down to get into real estate hold you back, your family back. There's a lot of opportunities, as Dom mentioned, and you'd be shocked if you spoke with an educated, savvy person on what the difference a few $1,000s in a down payment actually does for your payment. It doesn't save you as much as our perception of it. So Dom, if they want to reach out to you,
you can call or text me at 330-418-1535. We have a lot of reviews. If you're just a little insecure about trying to make that first call, I know it's hard, but Zev, how can they reach out to you?
Call or text me at my cell phone, which is 330-933-3258. And as Dom mentioned, if you want to check out those reviews, go to DominicFonte.com.